Jessica, you were talking to some people who kind of were ready to party. They were talking about the hot tub and everything. It's been a little bit since we talked to you. You know, where did you leave off with that group, and how are things looking for you right now?
Yeah, so they're from Kentucky, so they're not used to the Southwest Florida weather. And believe it or not, they said they were actually enjoying the hot tub last night as Elsa was rolling in here on Sanibel Island. So not sure that's something that I would recommend doing, but they certainly seem to have had a good time and made the best of their vacation. Lyle, I want to see if we can pan over here to the right and show folks where we are. So we're coming to you live along Periwinkle right now, and really just zoom in as this giant work vehicle is making its way. Looks like they might be going out to help with some of the power issues as well, those crews right there. And you can see as we're standing off on the side on one of the local businesses, we're trying our best not to get splashed by all of the puddling that is building up on the roadways here on Periwinkle. We're right in front of the Shell gift shop right now, and I've been speaking with customers who are coming in and out, and they tell me, you know, we know you guys as the TV crews, you've been out all day, but us, we've been cooped up working to weather the storm and trying to stay safe, stay off the roads, and we're ready to get back out there. So he came here to shop for some seashells. He said he needed some fresh air, needed to get out of the house for a little bit. Of course, he is still having to deal with all of this flooding on the roadway before he was able to even get inside. One other update. So I heard Trent mention the fire that we had responded to earlier. So Sanibel fire crews, again, around 7:15 this morning, they were called out to a condo complex on the island. And we're told by people who live there that the roof fire that they were responding to was caused by a lightning bolt because of the big storm that we were seeing. People who were staying there, those visitors that I spoke with earlier, tell me that the thunder that woke them up was the loudest thunder they have ever heard in their life. I myself, my photographer, we were staying in a hotel here on the island last night. We were woken up to it as well, and a pretty crazy light show as well with all of the lightning in the area. Hi, sir. I know you promised me a TV interview. We are live on the air right now. Any chance you want to chat real quick?
Sure.
You know you want to. Did you find any seashells inside?
I found a bunch.
Yeah? Let's see them.
Well, I didn't buy any. I'm going to try my luck on the beach.
Now, you said that you had to get out of the house. You were weathering the storm. Tell me a little bit about that experience.
Oh, I'm just tired of being cooped up. I had to get out for a little while, but going to go back since we have another wave coming. So.
Out here on the island, what was the experience like early this morning? Some of the folks I spoke with tell me they heard some really loud thunder. Was it the same experience for you?
Oh, yeah, a lot of thunder and lightning, but I was inside, so it didn't bother me.
And what about visibility on the road? So I think this is your car over here, so you have one of those more low-lying vehicles. What was it like driving?
Visibility's fine, but it's not raining now, so.
Visibility was fine, so you weren't driving through that whole whiteout that crews were kind of describing.
No, I
what
just
about
got out.
the flooding?
It hasn't been bad.
It hasn't been bad.
No.
You're brave enough to drive through this right here?
Sure.
All right. Promise me you won't get stuck.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you. We will send it back to you guys in the studio right now. We will continue to stay out here and monitor the conditions for you in Sanibel.
Real quick, Jessica, I'm curious if you can tell us if things are looking better. You've been on Sanibel for a couple of hours right now. Has it gotten any better in that area off of Periwinkle?
Yes. So it stopped raining. I mean, it was maybe an hour ago that we came to you live with that big group of people over at that roof fire when we were tracking that situation, and it was pouring rain. We're still soaked from that situation. But out here on Periwinkle, the rain has stopped. We also made our way over to Sanibel Causeway because we wanted to check in on that whiteout situation that first responders were describing. Remember, they said because their crews are responding to so many calls, what's making it difficult to get people help was the fact that you couldn't really see much with the low visibility. And conditions did improve a lot. We were able to make our way over Sanibel Causeway. We could actually see out over the water. It's a lot better out here right now, but drivers still going to have to contend with this puddling. I know that gentleman you just heard from, he's kind of laughing it off and says that it's no big deal, but other people really are having to take it slow. Otherwise, they're causing big splashes like that. And again, some spots do look a lot deeper than you might think. For now, I'll send it back to you.
Jessica, keep you on the line here for just a second. I was glad to see those electric trucks moving along along Periwinkle, hopefully restoring some power there. One other thing I wanted to talk to you about, we work around the clock here. I was talking to Jessica last night,
It sounds like your mic is not working right now. So you wanted to ask Jessica a question. Which was that?
She was on the island last night when the hurricane made its closest approach. I just want to know if she saw any surge out on the beach and what it was like last night when that storm made its closest approach.
Trent, I was sleeping at that time. There's absolutely no way I would have been able to wake up at 1 o'clock in the morning. Originally, we were heading up to Pinellas County, so unfortunately, I didn't get to see that myself. I was out there, maybe the last look I got was probably around 7 o'clock last night when you and I spoke on the phone, and I did film some of the conditions as it was coming in, which was pretty crazy. That's on my Fox 4 Facebook page, so you can get a check of what the view was like over at our hotel. But no, we ourselves did not get to see any of the storm surge. We left at that point.
All right, well, we can't blame you for that. Jessica, thank you very much for your reporting this morning.